Welcome to the power system analysis. What is power system analysis? Calculations and simulation are performed to verify that the electrical systems, including the system components, are correctly specified to perform as intended, withstand expected stress, and be protected against a failure. Overview about asymmetrical faults and analysis. This is the TikTok topic of today. What you learn are today that are definition, classifications, symmetrical and unsymmetrical faults, short circuit cases, fault analysis. Unsymmetrical fault analysis. Definition. Unsymmetrical faults are the faults which leads unequal current with unequal phase shifts in a three-phase systems. The unsymmetrical faults occurs in a system due to presence of an open circuit or short circuit of transmission or distribution line. It can occur either by natural disturbances or by manual occurs. Fault. We see what is unsymmetrical fault, but what is fault? Fault is a abnormal condition of the electrical systems which damage the electrical equipment and disturb the normal flow of the electrical current and voltage level is called a fault. Fault classifications. Fault is overhead transmission line system are classified into series or shunt. Series faults are called as open conductor faults and shunt faults are called as short circuit faults. The series faults are classified into one open conductor fault, two open conductor faults. It has classified into two types. And short circuit faults are classified into two types. They are asymmetric faults and symmetrical faults. And asymmetric faults are classified into line ground faults, line faults, line ground faults. That is called double line faults. And symmetric faults are classified into triple line faults, that is line faults, and line ground faults, that is triple line ground faults. Classification of faults. The explanation of diagram. In symmetric faults, free fault system, that is balanced, forced fault system, that is balanced. In symmetrical system, free fault system is balanced, but forced fault system is imbalanced. Faults in a power system. Symmetrical faults. The faults which gives rise to symmetrical faults current, that is equal to faults current which is 120 degrees displacement is called a asymmetrical fault. Example, when all the three conductors of a phase line are brought together simultaneously into a short circuit condition. What is unsymmetrical faults? Those faults which gives rise to unsymmetrical currents, that is unequal line current with unequal displacements, are called unsymmetrical faults. Single line to ground faults, line to line ground faults, double line to ground faults. Unsymmetric faults. Unsymmetric faults on three-phase system are those faults, the power systems which gives rise to unsymmetrical faults currents, that is unequal faults or currents in a line with unequal phase displacements are known as unsymmetrical faults. On the occurrence of unsymmetrical fault, the current in the three lines become unequal and the phase displacement among them. There are three ways to which unsymmetrical faults may be occurs in a power system. Single line to ground faults, line to line faults, double line to ground faults. The diagram shows the how the faults are occurred, that is line to line, and line to line ground. The solution of unsymmetrical faults problems can be obtained by either Kirchhoff laws or symmetrical component method. The latter method is preferred because of the following reasons. It is simple method and gives more generally to be given to fault performance studies. It provides a useful tool for the protection engineers, particularly in connection with the tracing out the fault current. What is symmetrical fault? Symmetrical fault on a three-phase system. The fault on the power system which gives rise to symmetrical fault currents, that is equal to the fault current in the line is 120 degrees displacement, is called a symmetrical fault. Symmetrical fault rarely occurs in practice. The most symmetrical faults in the most severe and imposes more heavy duty on circuit breaker. Short circuit causes. Short circuit faults whenever a fault occurs in a network such that the large current flow in more phases. A short circuit fault is said have occurred Cause of short circuit. Internal effect are caused by breakdown of equipment or transmission lines from detonation of insulation in a generator, transformer, etc. Such troubles may be due to aging of the insulation, inadequate design, or improper insulation. External effect causing of short circuit include insulation failure due to lightning surges, overloading of equipment causing excessive heating, mechanical damage by public, etc. All types of shunt, that is three phase, that means three lines are ones together, line to line, line to ground, two lines to ground. How the faults are occurs? Effects of short circuit faults. When a short circuit occurs, the current in the system increases to abnormally high value while the system decreases to a low value. Short circuit causes excessive heating which may result in the fire or explosive. Low voltage created by the fault has a very harmful effect on the service rendered by the power system. If the voltage remains low for even a few seconds, the consumer's motors may be shut down and generators on the power system may become unstable. Unsymmetrical fault analysis. In the unsymmetrical fault analysis, the following assumptions will be made. Generated EMF system is positive sequentially only. The current flow in the network other than due to fault, that is load current, are neglected. The impedance of the fault is zero. Phase R shall be taken as reference phase. Assumptions in fault studies. Synchronous machines are expected by the consult voltage source in the series with a reactance. In this condition, the winding resistance will be ignored. Also, free fault current will be ignored. Static loads are ignored. A transmission line is presented by a series reactance and resistance and shunt current in the line to be ignored. Thank you.